Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about this Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Realme phone Wi-Fi setting, how to use Wi-Fi setting one by one and step by step. Friends, we will talk about how to use Wi-Fi setting on Realme phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Realme mobile Wi-Fi setting, and guys Wi-Fi setting is off. So friend, first of all open your Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting, which network you want to connect, select your network. And friends, if you click here add network setting, friends you want to add any network on your device, so you can add network from here and you can connect. So friends, I will connect this network, and friends I will enter password. Friends, you can check password, and friends you can connect this Wi-Fi network. Right click here, and once your Wi-Fi network will connect on your Realme phone device after 4 and 5 seconds. After connect friends, you can use this Wi-Fi network on your Realme phone. Friends, you can on YouTube app, you can use your YouTube app after connect Wi-Fi network. So like that friends, we can connect and we can use Wi-Fi network setting on Realme mobile. And once you want to disconnect network, so once click here, and once you can remove this network. And before remove guys, you want to share this Wi-Fi QR code, so you can share this Wi-Fi network QR code. So friends, we'll click on remove this network and remove it. After remove friends, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network again on your Realme mobile. Friends, if you click again, so again you will have to enter password. Then friends, you can connect this network again on your device. So I hope friends you understood how to use Wi-Fi setting on Realme phone. And friends, if you click here, you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code on your device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.